Hi, my name is Tover.
And my name is Alyssa Baer, and we are students in the Public Health Department studying women's safety on college campuses. So we're trying to understand nighttime commuter safety for female college students. So specifically, we want to see how we can make BYU campus safer, but in order to do that, we're visiting other college campuses and gaining photos from them, and then doing survey research to try and better understand students' perceptions of safety and how we can improve the environment to make it safer. We're trying to understand how students perceive safety, and so we're looking at two different environmental factors. We're looking at entrapment and also lighting.
The final phase of our research is to create a VR simulation that highlights the environmental and individual factors that people have reported in phase one as things that they are worried about on campus.
And one way that we decided to identify those factors was with this unique data collection tool called a heat map. So with the heat map, what it does is it gives an individual just a picture of a different setting, and then that individual can click on anything in the image that stands out to them as important. So we wanted to bring in virtual reality using like goggle headsets and everything to really immerse the participants in that environment, right? So that we could actually get as close as we can to their true perceptions of what it felt like to be on that campus, to have that experience, to be walking at night. By including that element of the project in, we just felt like it helped increase the validity and the reliability of the results.
I think this project, as I've done it, I just think about my family, just nieces and those I love who are in their young stages of womanhood, and the hopes that I have for them to be able to live in a healthy environment.
Yeah, I agree with that. I think a lot of the passion comes from personal experience, right? So different experiences that I've had or I know friends have had that have been really impactful in that way. But then I also think as I started to work on it, I think I realized that we only get change and are able to create change if we start asking questions. It's just powerful to use your own personal passions and experiences and say, okay, I'm curious, like let's just ask some questions and see what we find, and using that as a driving force, but then realizing that kind of opens the floodgate, right? It opens this massive door to create change and to continue to be part of the solution if we want to be. So it's really fulfilling, I feel like, to see the things that we study in textbooks and things that we talk about in classes then come together and actually help people in the community.